What if I told you Jaffer Zaidi, the lead singer of Kaavish, is half Assamese? Yes. So his mother, the legendary Nayyara Noor, was born in Guwahati, Assam in 1950. Before she became one of Pakistan's most celebrated singers, she spent her early years on the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra. So her father was a merchant from Amritsar, which is in Punjab. And here's the twist, he once hosted Muhammad Ali Jinnah during his visit to Assam. Of course, before the partition of India. And years later, Nayyara moved to Pakistan with her mother and siblings. But her father stayed back in Assam until 1993, keeping that invisible thread alive between Guwahati and Karachi. So next time you listen to Kaavish, remember, behind every note, every emotion, there is a piece of Assam's soul echoing through Pakistan's melody. Thank you for watching.